I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Honda Pilot hood. First, locate the hood release handle under the driver's side lower corner of the dashboard. Give it a firm pull, and you'll hear a click as the hood unlatches. The hood should pop up just a little, indicating it's ready for the next step. This initial action is crucial for accessing the engine compartment safely and efficiently. Now, walk to the front of your Honda Pilot. The hood will be slightly ajar. Carefully slide your hand under the center of the hood's front edge. You'll need to feel for a secondary safety latch. This latch is typically located slightly to the left of the center, or sometimes described as being on the driver's side under the front edge. It's a small lever you'll need to push or slide. Once you locate the secondary latch, push it to the side or up to fully release the hood. With the latch disengaged, lift the hood completely open using both hands. Next, find the prop rod, usually clipped to the underside of the hood or near the engine bay. Remove the support rod from its clamp and securely insert it into the designated hole on the hood to keep it safely open. To close the hood, first remove the prop rod from its mounting hole and secure it back into its clip. Gently lower the hood until it's about 12 inches from fully closing. Then, remove your hands and let the hood drop, allowing its weight to latch it securely. Always double-check that the hood is fully latched by trying to lift it slightly. And hey, if you're looking to keep your car smelling fresh, check out the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. We appreciate your support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.